Hello people! So, alright guys, may dumating sa akin na package kahapon. So, ayan siya. Nilabas ko na siya sa karton kasi gagawa natin siya ng unboxing today. And then, isama natin yung asawa natin. Ilagay natin siya sa ating tabi para kung ano yung reaction niya. Kasi akala niya nag-order ako ng mamahaling bag. So, hindi to order guys. Pinadala to sa akin ng company na gagawan ko siya ng review now. And raining man siya kaayo eh. Ay, so nagigit ready lang ako. So yung suot ko pala is itong orange na top. Tapos galing yan sa Shein. And then yung down, same siya. Pero gipilo na ko siya mga zay kay taas ra kay siya. As in super haba niya. So yan yung pa-uutidi natin today. So, let's go! Tada! My love, dali pa mag-unboxing ta. So, today's video, andito siya sa aking tabi kasi gusto din niya, he wanna see the bag, what I get from the company that called Teddy Blake New York. So they sent me another one bag, new design handbag. So I would like to show him for my husband to get a review also.
Teddy Blake, all the way from New York. We sit in Spain, by the way.
Are you ready? So I would like to say thank you first to the Teddy Blake New York for sending me this new design handbag and for collaborating with this new style handbag niya. Bakit hindi ka tumatawa? It's really scary. What do you think the color?
It's not Blake magic, it's black magic.
It's a white magic. So what do you think is the color? Guess.
I think,
What do you think?
it must be pink.
Pink? No, it's not a pink.
She's a lady.
So, tanungin natin siya kung ano yung masasabi niya sa bag. Tada!
Ta-da!
So, anyway guys, yung bag may ano sila include itong dust bag. So, para in case hindi mo siya gagamitin, so pwede mo siyang magamit. So,
Teddy, not black magic, but red magic.
so ito yung design na napili ko. Similar the one I have before, the black one, but it's quite smaller. The one I have is much like bigger. So, it's a real leather. And it's very nice.
Yeah, it's quality, obviously.
It's very nice, no?
I just wonder why Teddy Blake don't make the logo or some kind of logo or make the name here nice, a little bigger, nice and handwritten, you know, with gold still, of course. No, okay. Apart from that.
Like a nice, yeah, bitaw no, like a nice lettering. So, ito yung na-notice niya. So then, let's see the inside, my love.
I'm sure it's full of gold.
So, ito siya, guys, is color gold yung ano niya. Hindi siya silver. So, uy, nice siya, Zoe. It's very nice, no? I love it. For Instagram. It's very stiff.
It's very, very Instagrammable.
At saka may ano siya. There's a, like this, a strap.
A leash so you can walk the back.
And then, nice. Hindi siya bulky. And of course, we have some paper. There's a love letter.
A love letter from who?
So, ito yung inside is very hard. I can smell your head and then your collapse.
Stiff.
Yeah, it's very stiff.
Yeah, anything quality is usually heavy. and it is relatively heavy, and is usually stiff or hard. Yeah, that's a sign of quality.
Yeah.
Okay. How many millions of dollars is there room for in here? It's not big enough for me for all my millions. But it will do for a day or two.
It cannot fit the camera, the big camera, no? You can't fit the big camera.
The big camera, oh,
No.
it can. Not my biggest camera, but yours. Sure, it can. But it's not a camera bag, you know, it is a lady's bag.
Yeah, so inside guys, may dalawang pocket. Isa dito sa harap at saka isa sa likod na may logo din nila dito sa likod. May nakasulat na logo. So yung pocket sa loob, makasya din yung phone. So yan yung napakaganda. So it's really nice, no? I like it so much. It's very nice. So now we can go
Shopping.
shopping.
Shopping. And more shopping.
We can
And
go.
look sexy while shopping.
It's very sexy without money, you know. But maganda siya pang Instagram. Asan ba to ilagay? Ay, dito siya.
I think she's more sexy than the back. Oh, sorry, Teddy Blake.
Wait, itaon nato ni. Ay, nandito ay yung lock, yung ano nila. Yung handle is, yung sa akin last time is nandito sa gitna. Ngayon, nandito sa likod. So, I hope this will go to balance. Hindi mo siya nataon, my love. Ay, nakain siya.
But when it's my wife carrying the bag, that surely helps the sexiness of the back,
Dabi,
doesn't it?
medyo ano siya? Hanash. You look you look so expensive.
Oh, can be.
No? Look nice.
It's approved. It's 2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up. Nice siya. And hindi siya masyadong malaki. So, okay lang yung ano niya. The size is not so big, it's not so small. So, I can use it mostly daily.
There's room for enough makeup and lipsticks and handy smartphones and pads and cameras and...
Oh, and then this one, guys, meron silang ano, they had like this, foot. Mostly the bag they have is, they don't have like this. This one, maganda kasi to pag, alam niyo yun, nilalagay.
This is for magnets so that when you put it on a steel table out when she's out shopping, the thieves can't steal it.
Maganda siya kasi pwede mong ilagay sa floor so hindi siya madumi. So I think that's it for my review for Teddy Blake New York for now. So for me,
until it stops raining outside, then we'll go and make a more profi review.
yeah, maggawa ako ng photoshoot nito tapos I'm gonna use this bag for a weeks or more hanggang sa hindi na siya masyadong maging stiff.
And now I won't ruin the review anymore. I think I better leave that up to my expert here.
Ito.
Bye-bye.
So, hawa na diha. Samok po ning tawanan. So, gagawa ako ng what is in my bag in the next vlog. If magamit ko na siya for few days or few weeks siguro. Gagamitin ko siya more on kasi pag hindi mo siya gagamitin, medyo super super stiff. So, pag hindi siya gagamitin, maging lang siya. Hindi siya magiging soft. And now, since umabot na tayo ng 100,000 subscriber, tadaan! Congratulations everyone! So, gusto kong magpa-giveaway ng ganitong bag, pero ibang color siya. Yung color nito is color black. So, alright everyone, good luck sa inyong lahat na hopefully isa kayo sa mananalo ng kanilang bag design. Yung pag-giveaway ko is color black, ganitong style pa din. And then, yung mechanics is i-follow nyo yung Instagram nila, Teddy Blake New York. And then, like the video, comment down below kasi dyan ako magpipili sa mga mananalo kung sino yung mga nanalo. And then, Instagram nila. Alright? So, it's very simple mechanics. So, isa na kayo sa mananalo nito. Hopefully na isa kayo. So, good luck everyone and share it now. May nakakulob dito. So, magluto na ako ng fish lang yung lutuin ko. So, tinanong ko si Habis kanina kung ano yung gusto niya, fish ba or chicken. Sabi niya, fish na lang kasi nilabas mo na. Okay. So, ito yung lulutuin ko mga inday. And then, with french fries. Half lang yung anuhin ko nito. Parang kulang. So, alright guys, ayan, tapos na ako. Maggawa lang ako ng salad ni Habi na, ano yan siya marami, konti lang naman. Pero, ininit ko muna yung plato. Parang hindi siya mainit. Vesh. Okay na to eh. So, hello kang Maria Veronica Aguela Leia Nicolada Brad, hello sa'yo. Hello kang Meme at kang Greta Amores in USA. Hello kay Sonia Yu Mechi Gemini at kay Yenel Matilda. Hello kay Leah Anchita 74 at kang Jose Bliwada. At hello kay Morning Dove and Madonna Apuhin at Vela Hermosa Rachel. Hello to you. Napitit everyone. Yan yung sa akin. And kay Habi. Kain tayo guys. Hindi na ako makapag-vlog dun sa loob kasi madilim dun sa kwarto kasi nagpaano si Habi, nanood siya ng TV. So, alright everyone. Tapos na kaming kumain si Habi. Andun siya nanood ng Mr. Bean. So ngayon, bibigyan ko ng pagkain yung anak ko. Felix. Si Felix yung anak ko. Ay, nakang bagay. Akong kamera! Maigo! Not that! Nice!
Saw the ending before the movie was done. I got thick skin because I've been burned before. I got baggage that you don't know of. Learn the hard way not to trust anyone. I'm not letting
that's it for today. Thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe if you're new to my channel, and see you for my next vlog tomorrow.
Everything I did and I want you to know was there.